We call Mars the red planet, but our understanding of exactly what makes Mars appear red has just changed with a new paper published today in Nature. You probably know that it's the red dust on Mars that gives it the red color, and you may even know that that dust is iron oxide. But what is the exact type of iron oxide, and what can that type tell us about the history of Mars? Well, quite a lot, as it turns out. Previously, we had thought that the main iron oxide on Mars was anhydrous hematite that was formed relatively recently on Mars through weathering. In order to check this, scientists at a lab in Switzerland have been grinding up samples of different types of iron oxide to try and match the properties of the dust observed by the various international missions on Mars, including Mars Express, Trace Gas Orbiter, and the Perseverance, Curiosity, and Opportunity rovers. The results show the best match to the Martian dust is actually a mix of basalt, sulfate, and an iron oxide called ferrihydrite. This is an exciting discovery because ferrihydrite forms in the presence of cool water, so it would have formed much farther back in Mars's past when water was still present. So, Mars rusted much less recently than we thought, and this is also further strong evidence of water on Mars at some point in its deep history before it was transformed into the desert world we see today. Of course, the proof will be in the pudding, and that means getting physical samples back from Mars to labs here to directly confirm this result and also give us a wealth of new knowledge about the history of Mars. That's today's short. I will see you back here tomorrow.